Hi, my name is Christian, and I'm engineer manager here at First Factory. I'm 12 years old of experience. Okay, so this was my second job actually, and as software developer. I started as full stack and developer here in First Factory, and I work for Jason in an internal product that is called Vision Studio. It's a product that actually Jason owned with a partner, and that's basically my first experience here. Okay, so when I started here at First Factory, it was 12 years ago, as I mentioned. We started with 8 or 9 people as the whole team. So my position here was like an all-around developer. We were able to work on backend, frontend for all the clients. The company started to grow, and we started to grow with that company, right? So we were able to actually work on different technologies. I was .NET initially, then I jumped into Objective-C, for example, and then we started working on different frameworks related to JavaScript. So I jumped into the front-end area, JavaScript, AngularJS, React.js, for example, and we started to get more clients. And of course, we passed from being just a couple developers all in the same flat level to have a more organized kind of work. So at the end, yeah, 13, well, almost 13 years later, bigger. It's a lot of people now here, and as part of that growing, First Factory always provided the tool that I needed to actually grow here. So I started like a full stack net developer, and as of now I am a engineer manager, and that's how things have been evolving with the time. What I like the most about First Factory is the culture, definitely. When we started working together as a small group of people, we were always friends, and that's something that improved a lot of the culture and how you feel important into this company. Even though that this company has grew a lot, we are trying to keep the same environment within the teams. And that's something that I always try to do with the team, so you can feel important, so you can feel that like you are listened. And actually, we want you to grow and to feel part of the company as well. That's the culture. The other part is the technology, and that's something that is always fun here because we have a lot of different clients, and that represent a lot of different technologies to work on. And there are a lot of areas to improve here, and because of that, I think it's something pretty interesting to work on First Factory. Okay, so I'm a father of a 7 years old child, and Pablo, my child, was the first baby in First Factory, and that was like 8 years ago when we got this news, and we talked to Jason about it, and it was a pretty big activity here in the company. There was a baby shower with all the people, all the friends, and we actually had a pretty good moment, and that's something that is really special for me, and that's something that I want to share. If you're starting here or as a developer, you need to work in your solve problem skill set. That's something that will be the core of your abilities and will help you a lot in the future. And also, there will be challenges that you need to face. So something I will advise to you is just to think small. Maybe there will be something that is overwhelming because how big it is, but you can just think in small pieces, and that is a pretty good way to actually start solving and you can face those challenges in a better way. So that's something I will advise for sure. First Factory is a great place to work actually. You're going to find a lot of good people that can help you to grow. It doesn't matter if you have a lot of years of experience or you are new in this area. There is a respectful environment and you will always feel like you matter. So that's something I will encourage you to go into First Factory for. And also, you will find a lot of opportunities to grow. And there are a lot of tools that First Factory will provide to you to achieve that.